How a solar eclipse happens. Imagine standing beneath the sky on a clear day. The sun shines brightly, bathing the world in the warmth and light. Then, almost imperceptibly, the brightness begins to dim, shadows lengthen, birds fall silent, the air cools, and as you look upward, the sun seems to vanish, swallowed by a dust disk. A shadow sweeps across the land, and for a few miraculous moments, day becomes night. You are witnessing a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse is one of the most breathtaking phenomena in the cosmos, a moment when the intricate motions of celestial bodies align perfectly, creating a spectacle that has inspired wonder, fear, and reverence throughout human history. But what is actually happening in this cosmic ballet? To understand, we must look at the relationship between three celestial dancers: the sun, the moon, and the earth. The sun, a blazing sphere of plasma, 1.4 million kilometers in diameter, sits in the center of our solar system. It is enormous, giant compared to the earth and the moon, of course, right? Radiating energy that sustains life for across millions of kilometers. The earth, our home, orbits this radiant star at an average distance of 150 million kilometers. And between them, circling Earth once every 29 and a half days, is the moon, a small, silent companion that, by coincidence of scale and distance, can perfectly cover the sun's disk from our vantage point. This alignment is what makes a solar eclipse possible. When the moon passes directly between the earth and the sun, it blocks the sun's light, casting a shadow on our planet. The shadow has two parts. The first one is penumbra, a partial shadow where the sun is only partially obscured, and the umbra, the darkest part where the sun is completely hidden. If you are the part of the umbra, you experience totality. The sun disappears entirely, leaving only a coronal light, a glowing halo that extends into the heavens. It is a vision both alien and sublime, a glimpse of the sun's ethereal atmosphere that is normally visible in the glare of a day. But totality is fleeting. The moon moves across the sky, and the umbra traces a narrow path across Earth's surface, sometimes only 100 kilometers wide. Outside this path, observers experience a partial eclipse, where the sun appears as a crescent, slowly consumed and then revealed again by the moon's passage. The entire event, from first contact to last, can last for several hours. But the moment of totality, the heart of the eclipse, may be only a few minutes. An ephemeral masterpiece of light and shadow. Solar eclipses are precise events because of the remarkable coincidence of distance and sizes. The sun is roughly 400 times wider than the moon, yet it is also about 400 times farther away. This extraordinary ratio makes the moon appear nearly the same size as the sun in our sky, allowing it to cover the sun perfectly during an eclipse. It is a cosmic coincidence that has fascinated astronomers and humans alike for millennia, a reminder that even the vastness of the space, geometry, and a chance to create moments of stunning perfection. Throughout history, solar eclipses have inspired awe and fear. Ancient civilizations often saw them as omens or divine messages. Cultures around the world devised myths to explain the sudden disappearance of the sun, like dragons swallowing it, gods hiding the light, celestial battles unfolding above, or etc. Today, science allows us to understand these events, yet the awe remains. Standing in the shadow of the moon, witnessing the corona unfurl like a silver crown, humans still feel the same sense of wonder our ancestors felt thousands of years ago. Eclipses also remind us of the intricate motions of the cosmos. The moon's orbit is tilted slightly relative to Earth's orbit around the sun. So solar eclipses do not occur every month, only when the moon crosses the plane of the Earth's orbit. At the precise moment it is between sun and Earth, does the shadow fall upon our world. This alignment is rare, a fleeting intersection of paths, and when it occurs, we're privileged to witness the perfection of celestial mechanics in motion. The sun's corona, revealed only during totality, is another mystery. It extends millions of kilometers in space, glowing with temperatures of several million degrees, far hotter than the sun's surface. For centuries, scientists studied eclipses to understand this corona, to uncover the secret of solar wind, magnetic fields, and the forces that shape space weather and influence our planet. In this sense, an eclipse is not only a spectacle, it is a natural laboratory, offering a glimpse into the sun's hidden layers, normally invisible in daylight. The shadow of the moon also interacts with Earth in subtle ways. Animals may pause their routines, birds return to nest, flowers close their blooms, and the air cools perceptibly. The world senses the eclipse, responding the temporary withdrawal of sunlight, a reminder of how connected life is to the rhythms of the cosmos. And when this totality ends, the moon continues its journey, gradually revealing the sun once more. Light floods the land, warmth returns, and the shadow recedes. The brief darkness disappears, leaving only memory and photographs, of course, because we are all doing that. And of course, also data and stories. And yet, even as the sun returns to full brilliance, the eclipse leaves a lasting impression, the reminder that the Earth and the moon are dancers in the vast cosmic stage. And sometimes by perfect dance and chances, their choreography creates a moment of extraordinary beauty. Every solar eclipse is a testament to the delicate harmony of the universe. It demonstrates the laws of motion, gravity, and light, and how these three celestial bodies moving across and interacting with each other in incomprehensible distances can create moments of perfect alignment, observable from a very small and a fragile planet. It teaches patience and awe, showing that cosmos is alive with patterns, rhythms, and coincidences that shape our experience of the world. The next time you see a solar eclipse, or even the partial shadow crossing the sun, you have to remember one thing. You are witnessing the motion of the moon, the geometry of the sun, and the dance of the earth all at once. You are the part of an event written in the language of celestial mechanics, a fleeting testament to the precisions and beauty of the universe. For a few minutes, day becomes night, the sun disappeared, and the cosmos remind us that even in our ordinary lives, we are connected to forces immense and eternal, moving across the heavens in perfect rhythm.